Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. To those who are new, my name is Janet and this channel is about business, fashion and lifestyle in Zimbabwe. And if you do like it here, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell in order for you to be notified each and every time I post. Do give this video a thumbs up and also do comment down below. I'd love to hear your suggestions, your views and how you enjoy my videos. If you have more stuff for me to, if you have things for me to add on, please feel free to comment down below. And to those who have been subscribed to this channel, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it, guys. To those who take their time to like and also comment down below, I appreciate you guys. So without much further ado, let's move into today's video. Today we are doing yet another unboxing. Those who have been watching my videos, they know it is a culture in this family to unbox together. So this is my first unboxing this year. I have a small package and also a big package. Let me just show you the packages. This is the first package, which I think there are sunglasses inside, and also the bigger package. Let me just see if I can carry it. Yeah, it's not so heavy. This is the bigger package. Some of the packages are still on their way. I think I've got two which are on their way, if I'm not mistaken. I'm just, to those who have been following my channel for some time, they know that I order things as per order. So if you give me your order, I do buy you stuff as per order. I don't keep things in bulk. I only keep smaller things in bulk, but I prefer not keeping so much because I do not have a physical shop. So let's get into our unboxing. So we'll start with this a small package. I think this small package is the shades which I bought. I just decided to just restock these. They were finishing up. I bought different types of them. So let's just open them. Let's see. So I did buy quite a number and I bought different types of them. So the first one is this one. This is the package. I'm not really excited about the packaging. The package is not as nice as I thought. Let me see if I like them. And this is the way they look. They are pretty. They're pretty. Let's see. And they're quite nice. I think they're nice. I think they're quite pretty. Yeah. So this is the first design which I bought, and yeah, I think they are quite nice. They also come in this, I think, as to protect them not to break, and this. So that's the first design which is there, and also I have this type. These look fancy. Oh, these look fancy, hey? This is the other type which I bought. These look nice as well. or these are similar as the pink ones, but they are different color. This is different color. Oh, this is nice. I'm a lover of brown, so anything. This is also nice. We also have a black. We also have a black in that other type, which I said they have a nice accessory. This is the black one. Let me just show you. This is how the black looks. It's also very nice. Okay, these are, and then I had to rebuy these because people really were crazy about these. I think I owe someone their, I have a client who actually really wanted these. I don't know if they still want them. It's been some time now. I hadn't restocked them. People love these types as well. I did have them on stock, but then they ran out. People love these, and yeah, maybe I will just tell her that I have them again. So I have this type as well. I don't know if I bought white on that type, on the type. I think I bought brown and black. Yeah, so we also have brown. Is this brown? No, this is the black ones. We also have these. I bought white on that type, on the type. I think I bought brown and black. Yeah, so we also have brown. Is this brown? No, this is the black ones. We also have these. Hi, Papa. I'll be done just now. Wait. Oh, we also have these in this color. People really enjoyed these, so that's why I restocked them again. So yeah, so that's about it for the shades. I think these are the only types I bought, and I like them. I'm not quite crazy about this. I'm not quite crazy about their packaging, but then it's okay because I guess you'd have to buy I guess the cases. Okay, so these are the styles. I think I bought about 3 styles. Yeah, I bought about 3 styles, which are not so bad. They're fine. And then now we move on to the bigger package and see what we have. Okay, so the big package is the bags. It's weird. I didn't think I'll receive bags anytime soon. But anyways, most of these bags are bags which were ordered by people reordered by people. It's the same styles which I had to order for people, just like this one. People liked it, so I had to order it again for others who wanted. Yeah, most of the bags, I think they are bags which were already there, which I've already unboxed with you guys. So it's the same. I've unboxed this one with you guys again. The same type as the first one. Okay, guys, I've unboxed most of these bags. It's the same types which people keep on ordering. I don't think I ordered any new bags. I just bought people's orders for the handbags. I was hoping this package is closed, but yeah, remember this one, this bag. It's just basically people's orders. No new bag, just people's orders. No new bag. This is the same bag. Okay, let me just have a look at this one. Okay, no new bags, guys. It's just orders. So if you are new and you wanted to see the bags in detail, please do. I'll leave links of some of these bags where I did the unboxings, and you can go and watch from those videos, because I'm thinking it will be repetitive. Yeah. For me to just keep on unboxing with you guys the same thing. Yeah, so this was our unboxing. Unfortunately, the things which I thought I was going to get are not the ones which I got. So I'm hoping that I will receive the things which I thought I will get sometime this week. So guys, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till we meet on the next one. Oh. I almost forgot. I'm supposed to do a WeChat video. I haven't forgotten, guys. To all those guys who said they were interested in WeChat, I haven't forgotten. I wasn't available. I wasn't at home. I had traveled. For those who watch my vlogs, they know that I had traveled, so I couldn't make sit-downs. I couldn't make sit-down videos like these because yeah, it just couldn't work. So yeah, guys. Okay, till we meet on the next one, do not forget to share, like, and subscribe to this channel. Cheers. Bye.